This video will show you how to add and subtract complex numbers. So what is a complex number? A complex number has a real part and an imaginary part. A complex number in standard form is written as A plus BI. A is considered the real part, and BI is considered the imaginary part. If you want to add complex numbers, you would start by eliminating the parentheses. Next, you would combine like terms. So imaginary numbers can be combined, and real numbers can be combined. So for this example, we would have 3 plus -1, which would get us 2. We would have -2i plus I, which is -1i. And then you want to make sure this is written in standard form. So again, remember, standard form is A plus BI, which means our real numbers should come first and our imaginary numbers should come second. And since we had already written it in this form, this problem is done. If you're subtracting complex numbers, the process is very similar, except you need to make sure you distribute the negative through the second set of parentheses to eliminate them. So this time I have 2 minus I, and then I have -1 times 3, so I really have -3. I have -1 times -4i, so that's really plus 4i. From here, we combine like terms, so again, our real numbers can be combined and our imaginary numbers can be combined. When I combine like terms, I have 2 minus 3, which is -1. I have -I plus 4i, which is plus 3i. Just double check that it's written in standard form, which means all your real numbers come first and your imaginary numbers come second. And since this is already in the correct form, this problem's complete. Pause the video for a few seconds and attempt these two problems. When you attempt the example on the left, you should eliminate the parentheses. After they're eliminated, you can combine like terms. Your like terms are 3 and -1, and -7i and -2i. So 3 minus 1 is 2, -7i minus 2i is -9i, and this is already in standard form. For the second example, we have to distribute our negative in order to eliminate the parentheses. So I have -1 times -2 is +2, -1 times -i is +i. Again, combine like terms. When you combine like terms, you get -1 plus 2i.